that tower looks really slow to me. I don't know why. Every time I see it go, it's going slow. I know, it looks like it's going so slow. Whoa! The backwards wave turn is so cool. Yeah, that's fun. Infinity coaster completion.
That's the neat one. That's Lost Island, right?
Or